Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining our October 23rd Headlamp Community Call. I am Lexi, and I will be leading this gathering tonight, or today, tonight for me. So since there's there's 4 of us on the call, perhaps we can do a little round of introductions as usual. I'll kick things off. I'm Lexi, I work for Microsoft, and I support our open source projects with their community engagements. I've been in the community for about 7-8 years, I guess, but more in a event role, marketing role, and now being a little bit more in the community. And I'm reporting to you live from London. So yeah, a little late here, but who would like to go next?
I can go next. I'm Oleg. I'm a software engineer at Microsoft, working on Headlamp for more than a year now. And yeah, that's me. Let's go next.
Great. Joshua or?
I'm Josh, or Joshua, either one. I work for Virginia Tech, a university in Southwest Virginia.
And I think I see Renee on, but it says that he's joining. I don't know. I'll see. I'll give it a wait. No, okay. Maybe there's something wrong because on the participants, it's just kind of saying joining ... So maybe he is having some difficulties, but that's okay. All right. Where is? I don't know what just happened. Does everybody hear me and see me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Did I just leave for a moment?
Possibly.
No.
Okay, because the page restarted for me. Sorry. Okay, but let's carry on. Thanks for the intros, everyone. Nice to meet you. Or well, we kind of all know each other, but our agenda today is quite light. We don't have any demos, but maybe Josh, you might want to show us something, a new feature.
Sure. So I actually have Renee to thank for this. I asked him a while ago to implement a feature so we could do encryption in the browser. Headlamp uses that NPM module, but we couldn't get access to it, and Renee enabled that. So thank you to Renee. Oh, he dropped, but you can give him my thanks. So I just posted the link to this, and this is still fairly early in the development, but it's working. Sealed secrets are used especially in GitOps environments where you want to put an encrypted secret in your repository, and then the cluster decrypts it once it ingests that manifest. And so I think it's used fairly widely across Kubernetes, even though it's made by Bitnami, but I think it was spared the recent cutting of a lot of services from Bitnami. It's still open source and free.
And correct me if I'm wrong, but this is available on Artifact Hub, right?
So I haven't put it in Artifact Hub yet. I can do that. We were just using it and testing it actually internally. It's not in production yet for us, but I was hoping that the community could take it and make it better. I'm not really a full-time developer. So, and a lot of this was actually done with Claude Code. We've done several plugins in the past, but nothing quite this extensive.
Yeah, that looks awesome.
Are you able to see my screen? Because I'm sharing. Yeah. Are you able to see the screen? Just so I want to make sure that it's recording. Great. And I will be sure to put in the link into the YouTube video so that everybody could kind of access it. Okay.
Right. And so at Virginia Tech, we use GitLab. I'm not sure for Artifact Hub. I think we have to put it in GitLab probably, and that's fine. I can do that. No problem.
Great. Fantastic. Thank you so much for sharing. I'll just stop the screen share now. Fantastic. Thank you. And I'll definitely let Renee know that you send thanks. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of go over what I said last time about KubeCon. So we have KubeCon Atlanta coming up in 2 weeks. So I know a lot of people with open source projects are a little bit busy, just overall in the community. So we will have, I think, Oleg, Will, Joachim, Chris, Cool, at the event. I don't know if I missed anybody, but I think that's pretty much our team. This is November 10th to the 13th, and the project will have a booth in the project pavilion for the entirety of the showcase. So that'll be a long Tuesday, 10:45 to 7:45, because that includes the booth crawl. And then Wednesday will be 10:30 to 5, and Thursday 10:30 to 2. So if you're attending, come say hi to the team. We'll have some swag, and you'll be able to, yeah, just meet the team in person. That's always super fun. Will Case is also going to have a talk on Tuesday at 5 p.m. And that'll just be a deep dive into the new AI client that was released over the summer. And there's also Headlamp Contrib Fest also on Tuesday at 2:30 p.m. And for those not familiar with Contrib Fests, they're essentially collaborative sessions between contributors and maintainers to kind of work together in person to solve different issues or work on new features or make improvements. So very fun sessions. And I also almost forgot to also mention that Oleg and Will 2 weeks ago sat down with David Flanagan of Raw Code Academy for his Raw Code Live, and they did an hour deep dive into all things Headlamp. And it was very interesting. It was everything that kind of led to Headlamp being created, and kind of the history of it, and to what we could expect in the future. So I will paste all the links in the YouTube video, but also after this meeting, I'll paste all the talk links and the YouTube link for the Raw Code Live. So yeah, does anybody have anything else to kind of chat about, or anything else interesting? No?
I won't
Okay.
be at KubeCon, but I think two of my team members will. So
Oh, really? Okay, I thought that you were coming. Okay. Do you know who it is?
my team members, there's Brandon Booker and Mark Williams.
Oh, right. Okay, sorry. I thought I was all like talking
Uh,
for a second. Oh, fantastic. So you could actually go and meet the team. Have you actually been to KubeCon before?
no, I haven't. So
Okay.
hopefully soon.
Yeah.
Virtually attended, but back when that was a possibility.
Right, during the pandemic. Yeah, that was not as fun.
Yeah.
So I hope, yeah, I'm not going this time, but I'm sure it's going to be really great. Take your walking shoes and save your voice, because it's a lot of talking, a lot of walking, but it's really fun. So yeah, have a great time. And yeah, but yeah, our next meeting will be EU friendly. So that's going to be November 27th at 3 p.m. UTC. And just we've decided to skip December because it was going to be on Christmas Day, and it's just a busy time for everybody. So we'll have the November meeting, and then we won't be back until January 22nd. So hopefully we'll have some more content for November to kind of go over before we're off for about 2 months. So Yeah, I think we could like cut this meeting short if everybody's okay with that, unless anybody has anything else.
Yeah, no, I don't think there are any other topics.
No? Okay, cool. Well, thank you so much for joining anyway for this very short, abridged version of our Headlamp community calls. But as always, you could catch us on GitHub or the Kubernetes Slack if you want to get involved or have any questions. And yeah, catch you guys in November. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.
Bye.